What a year, eh? What a year. All this masks and sanitising your hands and staying inside and making a dent in your sofa. I thought, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a reel together. Just do some of the videos I've done. I'm actually realised that, you know what, it's been alright. I mean, I haven't got to go on all the tours I wanted to, haven't been able to get out on all of the bikes that I wanted to, but I've still done a fair amount. And you guys have watched over 2,500 hours of my footage, so weirdos. Wouldn't be one of my videos without a loud motorbike or loud car going past with it. I've got quite a lot planned for next year. Whether it's loud, who knows? But we can only hope. We've got a couple of tours, a load of bikes that I want to get out on, so it'd be really nice. Really appreciate all the support, all the comments. I wake up most mornings to a couple of comments, which is actually quite nice. So thank you very much. Enjoy the reel, and I will see you in 2021. Oh. Oh. Hello and welcome back. Are you interested in the best casual waterproof riding boot? These are my Knox Handroid pods, a stop and go tyre plugger, a quad lock motorcycle vibration dampener, the brand new tyre, 11,500 miles. Good afternoon, you beautiful lot. Ladies and gents. Oh, look at this, man. Look at it. Oh, look at the view. Oh, wow, look at that. Oh, wow. Brakes are great, drop down a gear, lean her in. Sport, what's in sport? Oh, look at that. That's cool. That is really cool. You got your lean angle. Woohoo! These tyres are not designed for mud at all. Fuck. Chunky knobs. Oh, this is wicked. Oh, the horn's really weedy. And I just roll on. There's just, it shoves you in the back. You do feel really cool riding it. Yeah, I get it. Harley riders, I get it. Bye. It just wheelies everywhere. Right, so ladies and gents, we are now in sport mode. I can see why people buy these over the Tuono. See what it's like flicking into a corner, shall we? Oh, she handles quite well. It's not scared of leaning over. As a lazy weekend bike, this would be phenomenal. Can you hear the popping? Oh, it sounds so good.
My one's better.
Oh. The noise that's coming off as we both pull away.
Yeah, so there's the power difference. Yeah, there's the power difference between the T120 and the T100. Thanks for joining me on my first Harley experience. Come on Nicole, get on with it. Yeah, I really like that. Really cool. It looks like someone's had a lot of fun as well. I mean, that is cool. What a view to land on, not the barn. I hope you have enjoyed the video. I hope it's inspired you to get out on your bike. I mean, look at the view, man. If you do like these kind of videos and stuff in the garage, feel free to subscribe. There's plenty more on the way. Anyway, I'll stop rambling on now. Thank you very much for watching. If you've got any questions, please leave them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them. And I'll see you on the next one.